Hi folks, how we doing today?
Hi.
It's in the kitchen with Bert and Linda, and we're gonna just have a hamburger casserole today. And Linda's gonna primarily be the one putting it together, but I'll be around and I'll be chatting here and there. So I'm gonna turn it over to her, and here she goes.
Okay. We have got four ingredients for this casserole. There is a pound or a pound and a half of hamburger. Let me get in here and I'll show you what I've already pre-cut some of the vegetables. But there's your hamburger. Oop, hold
Pound
on.
of hamburger.
There we go. It's a pound of hamburger, ground chuck. We've got 2 onions that are sliced. I've got them sliced just like that. Then I've got 2 potatoes that are sliced just like that, about that thin. If you keep them all about the same diameter,
thickness,
they will all cook about the same time. You will have some that are cooked and some that are not cooked. And then tomatoes. We've got a can of tomatoes, and I'm gonna cut those up. Then you're just gonna put it all in a 9x13. Is that 9x12?
Okay.
9x13 pan is already pre-sprayed. The oven is on at 350, and I'm letting it preheat. So we're just going to assemble everything, put a little salt, a little pepper, and then cook it, and that's it. So Bert, you want to assemble it? You want me to do it?
you're gonna do the assembly. I'm just gonna watch.
Okay.
But I was going to tell you guys something too. I don't know about at your house, but here it is extremely windy outside. I mean, the trees are just rocking, the leaves are flittering about, and it's pretty windy. We just hope that no trees come down on any of the power lines, because if they do, we're likely to lose power. But anyway, I'm going to let now Linda can talk about her casserole.
Okay, I'm out of the frame, so I'm going to show you. This is a recipe that my mom used to make a lot because we all loved it at home. But you take your ground chuck, hamburger, whatever, and just kind of layer it down in the dish. And we're going to make layers. And it smells so good when she was cooking. And I'm going to try to get 2 layers out of this. Bert, if you'll get me the salt and pepper back there, we'll give it a little bit, not much salt, because those tomatoes have got salt in them. But okay, for right now, that's all the hamburger we're going to put in there, this layer. Then we're going to do a layer of onions, kind of break them apart, and just put them in there. Is everybody ready for the Super Bowl? Hey, I'm impartial. It doesn't matter to me. That's good. May the best team win is all I say. Put as many onions as you want in there. If you don't like onions, don't put them. If you like green peppers, put them in there. Then we're going to layer the potatoes. I don't think Bert's ever had this dish. This is one that my mom used to cook a lot when I was at home as a child. Okay, now we're going to add some tomatoes, and I'm going to kind of try to slice them up a little bit. And if this doesn't work, I'm going to use my fingers. Matter of fact, I think I will.
You want a couple of those tomatoes?
I don't.
Okay.
But, whoops, squish, squish. But anyway. This is what Mama used to do. May need another can of tomatoes. There goes my little helper. Now, because I have acid reflux, I have to be very careful about how many tomatoes I put in stuff. But if it's too much, I just take it out and do something else. But if you like, if you like green peppers, put them in there. And here's layer number 2. A lot of people don't like onions. Our children and grandchildren do not like onions. So we substitute. But this is just for Bert and me. because it's going to be so cold outside today. We're going to be at home, and so this is going to be lunch. Like I said, Bert's never had this before, and this is going to be something new for him too.
And I guess you guys heard her little helper. This is the only time she calls me little is when I'm getting something, okay?
Oh, he's like a foot taller than I am.
Excuse the noise.
He's over 6 feet tall, and I'm just barely 5 foot. So, if I need something in my tall cabinets, I call a tall person. If he needs something down in the low cabinets, he calls me.
As you can.
Thank you.
Sure.
We get it done. I'm going to put all these onions in there. Like I said, we love onions. But if you don't, just put, gosh, what else could you put in here? Put, of course you got your tomatoes, and you got your potatoes. Could put green peppers. I can't think of what else you put in here.
Well, you could put carrots in there. I mean, whatever you want.
But some people are going to say, wow, that's a lot of onions. And it is, but they're so good. You think we need more potatoes? That's going to be enough.
I think
This
it's
is just
enough for
simple
me,
flavor.
but it's up to you.
Okay. Let's see. And then you take, I'm going to put some more tomatoes on top, but you take your tomato juice and just put it down in there. Can y'all see what I'm doing? And like I say, because I have acid reflux, I have to be kind of careful about these tomatoes. But sometimes I'll sprinkle just a little bit of Splendor in there to kind of counteract that
Acidic.
that acid base. Boy, they're very juicy. Oops, that's a blooper.
Put some, get your on.
Yeah, thank you. Bloop. That's okay. They're good and juicy.
Sometimes we have to clean up too behind the little girl.
I know, it'll be alright. Then just pour the rest of your juice down in there. And I've got 2-3 tomatoes left over. That's all I'm going to put in there. We'll eat those later. Okay. And that's it. That's it. All you do now is put it in the oven at 350, 375, I think is what I got it on, for about 45 minutes. So let's go put this in the oven, and we'll be back in just a little bit.
Okay, folks, we're back and we've got the Hamburger Casserole already done. And now we're going to have a taste test. And this is my Sweet Linda's concoction here from her family. And her mom used to make this a lot, she said, but I don't know if I've tried it or not. But anyways, this is going to be a taste test for us. And here we go. Let's have a taste.
Yes, sir. Oh, and also, I had started on the heat 375, but I moved it up to 400, and it cooked for about 45 minutes.
Probably so.
So, let's try it and see. It's like I said, it's been a long time since I've had this, but it was awfully good when Mama made it. But just cook it until you know you could put a fork through your potatoes. All right, Bert.
This
Here's
is
your-
like an
here's your
all-in-one
fork.
meal almost, if you think about it. You've got your onions, your potatoes, your hamburger meat, and your tomatoes. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah.
And it's hot. It's very. Oh, and another thing, Bert said that if you wanted to put cheese on the top of it, say the last 5 minutes, sprinkle your cheese on it and put it back in the oven and let the cheese melt. Do you want to do that?
No, I'm
Just
good.
like
I'm good
this.
with this.
So, anyway,
I just
okay.
want to try it the way Mom used to make it.
Yeah, this is one of Mama's.
But the wind is still blowing hard outside, and it is just rocking the trees today. So now we're going to go for a taste test. Linda's going first.
Ooh, it's hot.
Be easy.
Mmm. Just so we remember the way Mama used to do it. And if my sister is watching, you remember this? It's good. What? I'm gonna get a potato.
It's very, very tasty, guys. Y'all really need to try this one because it makes a...
That's
Everything blends in together and it's good.
good. As my mama would say, it's delicious.
No, her mom used to say it's delicious.
Especially when she had a milkshake. Well, I'm gonna eat.
I think Linda's hungry.
It's good.
Well, you guys just please remember to like, subscribe, and share our videos out. And this is one that maybe a lot of people have not heard of or anyway tried. But please try it and see what you think. It sure is good. And really sprinkled cheese on it might even enhance the flavor some more, but I like it just like this.
And some people, I think, could put rice underneath it, cook rice and put it over top, noodles, make it your own.
And tomorrow is the big Super Bowl day, so
stay warm and remember, God loves us and we love you. Bye.
bye-bye.